Welcome to part 2. Thanks for everyone who watched part 1. In part 2, I'm gonna make the handle and probably start some of the stuff. So in part 1, you finished with this, and what I've done so far is I've squared the bottom and top. After, what you have to do is make the handle. So after you make the handle, roll it up shortly and make it sort of fat. Wait, let me finish this one. Sorry for the interruption, that was my dad. So make the handle pretty big, since after you square it, it's not going to be as big. So I would say make it around, well, depends on how fat your AK47 gun is, but just make it as fat as it needs to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and make mine around this fat, maybe fatter. So my handle is gonna be this way, and go ahead and take that up. And when you're taping, this is my taping method. Always tape the center first, so then you could just release it, and both of your hands are free. After you've taped this up, what you want to do is cut it to the correct size, and I'm going to cut it around here first. You won't want to have a handle that's straight, so you're going to cut it slanted like this. We're going to cut it slanted later, but first off we're going to square it. So just square something like this. Simply press down, make a crease like this, and then just square it according to how fat your AK47 is. So I would say mine is about, this fat on one side. Let's go ahead and square it out. Or should I say rectangle it out, but whatever. Also, by the way, in order to strengthen your handle, you're going to want to stick some scrap tubes inside. We'll do that later. But first, let's focus on making this square. I made this square. And go ahead and tape the insides. On both sides. So you have this. Now cut it at a slant just slightly, not too much. Probably like this, see if it works. And looks like I may be able to slant it some more. So I'll cut it at a higher slant. So you got this. And go ahead and tape it to the end. Or a little bit before. So, tape it here. Well, my tape is a little bit too big. make sure you tape the handle very nicely, because you won't want it to break later. So I'll just tape that up. So tape both sides. And in the comments, say thank you to my brother because he's filming this. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So just make sure you tape it very securely on this, because you don't want your handle to fail you. So now your handle should be nice and sturdy. So just do that. I'll just tape it up some more. So now what you got is this. You're like halfway finished. And by the way, again, I won't be doing a tutorial. I won't be showing you how to make the magazine because that just takes a lot of time. And I already have a tutorial on that. So, yeah, so just go watch the tutorial on my channel. Next, what you're going to be making is hopefully the stock. No, we're not going to make the stock. First, we're going to strengthen this handle since I don't have a lot of time. So, roll up a piece of paper the skinny way. And do not tape it up yet, I'm warning you. Don't tape it up. What you want to do is stick this roll inside of their handle. Then make sure it's the right size. If it's the right size, like I did, go ahead, take your tape and tape this. How much time we got left? Okay, we got 2 minutes left. And take your long roll of crap up, stick it in here, and then just cut it to whatever length you need it. Then put it back in, see if it fits. Doesn't, cut some more off. And yeah. Do the same thing a couple of times. And to tape the tubes in, you just put tape on the sides of your handle. Skinny, very skinny strips of tape. And you want to make sure the tube does not fall out. I have about 30 seconds left. So I'll probably be seeing you in part 3. And I'll just finish up this handle strengthener. Meanwhile, you guys can keep doing it. Keep strengthening your handle by using this method. It's a very nice method. It works for all guns, including your magazines. And please watch part 3. And I hope to see you guys in part 3 where we'll be making the stock. Thanks for watching. See you later.